Balma was the entry for me in Bollywood.
How was Akshay Kumar with you in the song?
Working with him for the first time with Superstar was just absolutely a masterclass for me. He was extremely helpful. He was supportive. He was just amazing.
You're German?
Half German, half Polish. I never really thought or put efforts or, to enter Bollywood. It just naturally happened to me. My destiny and blessing.
Having all the busy life, still you could find love. Tell me how.
I met Arjun Goel, the love of my life. He is a wonderful human being. He's the love of my life, and I never realized what love is until and unless I met him. So now it has been almost 4 years with Arjun.
When you're getting married?
We don't believe really on that stamp of getting married.
Some of the Germans are like, we don't believe in marriage and all.
I think it's more like the society's rule. Fall in love, get married, have children. So this is like a circle
All
which
the
a lot
Germans
of
have got this mentality.
Filmy Beat presents The Talking Stage with से आदि।
देखिए, जिनके गानों पर अक्सर आप थिरके हैं, क्लब में जाते ही जब बलमा बजता है तो फिर आपके अंदर का बलमा बाहर आ जाता है। ऐसा ही सारे जहां के बलमाओं के उन्होंने बाहर निकाला है। आई हैव क्लॉडिया विद मी। दिस इज मी से आदि। वेलकम यू टू फिल्मी बीट। हाउ हैव यू बीन, क्लॉडिया?
I am great. How are you?
हाउ वाज अक्षय कुमार विद यू इन द सॉन्ग?
I think, he was just amazing. Balma was the entry for me in Bollywood.
Yeah.
And, working with him for the first time with Superstar was just absolutely a masterclass for me. And I think I couldn't be more lucky than that. He was extremely helpful. He was supportive. If I needed one more take, he gave it to me very easily. And I think he's, not only very disciplined, but he's also a director's actor. So, it's also, he's very flexible towards,
Spontaneous,
changing,
yeah.
spontaneous. So that gives you so much of more excitement in front of the camera. And I think I just love the song, and I love the memory I have from the shooting. So yeah, super happy.
You're German?
Half German, half Polish.
You've been into Germany?
Of course, I lived there for 5 years, but I was born in Poland. So my mom is from Germany, my father is from India. From Poland, but I live in India.
That's how it is. But why
Yeah.
didn't you choose German entertainment industry?
So I started my career over there. And, there was one movie which won awards in Film Festival in Cannes with the LA production, which also released in India. And for that, they called me for 10 days to do the promotion. So in 2009, I came to promote that movie. And I think because I was in the media that time, that's how I
You
got
got
the
Balmain.
opportunity to come to Big Boss.
Yeah, first Big Boss.
Yeah, first was Big Boss. So I never really thought or put efforts or, to enter Bollywood. It just naturally happened to me, my destiny and blessing. But yeah, I have started my modeling and acting career in Germany itself for few years. Yeah.
Where do you live in Germany?
Near Munich,
Okay.
the south, yeah, Bavaria.
ठीक है. But you did Big Boss.
Yeah.
KRK was there.
Yeah.
Mr.
How can I forget?
Of course. Your favorite. Are you in touch with any of your Big Boss contestants?
A part of KRK, everybody. So
No, he's gonna kill me. Not at all. I don't wanna get my tags has to be Lukha journalist and all of that. He's gonna say.
Oh, so it is what it is. You have to pick the fight.
Yeah.
But no, I'm in touch with absolutely everyone. Vindu Dara Singh won my season, so he's a very good friend. Even right now, I went to Rohit Varma's fashion show, which was like awesome,
Yeah.
gorgeous. I was also there to support him. I met over there Poonam Dhilanji, who was like a mother figure in Big Boss house to everyone. उसने मुझे सिखाया रोटी कैसे बनाना है, उसने हलवा मुझे खिलाया and all those. So we have very good fond memories.
A girl who's coming from a different country to India. We have seen a couple of examples. Nora is one of them.
Yeah.
Jacqueline is one of them. And then we see a lot of other girls also we've seen, who have come, struggled, did some of the projects and gone back, or they're still here but not have the ample of work.
Right.
One of is you, right? You were so good. We wanted to see more and more, but somehow it didn't happen. However, this is destiny. We can't do anything about it. But also people with such, they take the liberty with girls, It is there. They take the liberties. Maybe they'll flirt. They will ask you to do certain things which are not supposed to be done or asked even. I hope you have not gone through that. If yes, you were very strong-headed that way.
Very strong-headed, always. I know what I want and my goals, what are those. So I am a very strong-headed girl. Part of my graph career, you know, maybe perhaps you're not aware of everything, but I have always done a lot.
Yeah.
Maybe in the last few years, you have not seen me so much, but I have opened a company called Claudia's Concept. I have become a nutritionist as well. I have a mission to, you know, make an impact on 1 million people, change their life, improve the quality.
That I see.
So, you know, there is so much more behind the camera which I have done. So you not always have to be in front and be loud about it. But my work graph has always been there. Big Boss, Balma, I have done other reality show. I have done Kya Kula Hum with Tushar. I have done even Comedy Circus.
Yeah.
I have done plenty of work and I have been busy and I have done more than 200-300 events, live events. I have performed on the national game closing ceremony as well. I mean, like, my work got plenty. For 10 years, I have been living on my suitcase, literally being barely at home because that's how much busy I was. So after COVID as well, I just shifted it because the industry also was a little bit shaken away at that point of time, and a lot of shift was happening also because of web series and everything. So we know what was happening. So I took a turn and I wanted to because I was always very passionate about nutrition and about, you know, our looks and the glowing skin and, you know, how to actually be healthy from inside out. So that passion I've taken forward, and right now again I'm back in front of the camera to speak about that and many more.
ठीक है. Having all the busy life, you know, doing shows, being in the closing ceremonies, or learning a lot of other stuff behind the cameras. You've been there doing that. You're busy. Still, you could find love. Tell me how.
I did, and I'm so happy because I was always a girl.
अर्जुन का तीर सीधा निशाने पे लगा.
सीधा, ठक. Time ही नहीं लगा. बस मेरा destiny भी था ना. So yeah, actually, you know, I have always been a very busy, ambitious, and career-oriented girl, right? But after COVID, something happened, and I realized, no, now I feel like I'm ready to have a companionship. And I was just manifesting it. I didn't do anything. I didn't go out and, you know, search for anyone. But then I met in 2001. 2021, I met Arjun Goel, the love of my life. And
Goel, Bania, Gupta, you know,
everything all together. He is a wonderful human being. He's the love of my life, and I never realized what love is until and unless I met him, because he made my day, every single day, so much more beautiful. We grow together.
Let me clear this. He's into stocks. He's very rich. So yes. Claudia का दिल जो है बाग हो गया है.
But I fell in love with him before knowing his bank account. So let's clarify that as well. So yeah, I think it's about our heart connection, and we truly believe we are each other's soulmates, and that belief is making our life so much beautiful. Yeah. So now it has been almost 4 years with Arjun, and
when are you getting married?
We don't believe really on that stamp of getting married.
I'm walking off from this interview.
Why? Come on.
I believe in it.
You see, somebody can believe. I think it's more like the society's rule. You know, fall in love, get married, have children. So this is like a circle.
All the Germans have got this mentality. I must tell you this. I met some of the Germans. They're like, we don't believe in marriage and all.
I believe in the marriage in concept, but I don't think so. It's for me. I believe being in love and respecting each other in the relationship is much more important than, you know, signing this one paper, because this one paper doesn't, you know, decide how my relation is going to be. It's not going to improve my relation either until and unless I daily don't work on it. So I think me and Arjun, we are really here on the same page with it. We are not planning to get married. But we know we want to be together for the rest of our lives. We know we want to live together. We know we want to travel the world together. In fact, you will not believe he is into stock market, but he's an amazing artist from his soul. He has learned dancing as well. So maybe one day we can do Nach Baliye together, or, you know, smart jewelry or something like that. He has a very artistic and creative side of him. And I think you will love to meet him as well.
Sure.
Too good. Oh my God. No, he's already taken.
I was not thinking anything here. But anyhow, what is your message to people, and especially the fans that have been seeing you and giving you immense of love? Whatever you do, I do see the way you put your videos on social media, you've been able to inspire many and millions.
Thank you.
Your message to people.
So definitely I'll keep inspiring, and definitely I would like to say thank you for all the love and support I have got from Bigg Boss till today, and there are many more news to come, and I promise I'll be more on the camera right now. Because of his complaint, I'll take it seriously. So I'll entertain you more. There is some great big news coming within 1 week, which I can't talk right now. But
You're going in Rising Fall as wild card?
I can't say, but it's coming very, very soon. So you will see me much more on different kind of platforms, and of course, maybe soon in Nach Baliye or maybe somewhere else. Who knows? Just keep your eyes open and let me surprise you. Love.
Done. Cut.